The second kind of waste is the non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Biodegradable waste was the waste which gets very nicely mixed up with the soil. It decomposes with the soil. Non-biodegradable waste will not get decomposed with the soil, children. It will not get mixed up with the soil. That is why non-biodegradable waste are harmful for the human beings, for the environment, and even for the animals. Okay, sometimes you see that people throw the peels of the vegetables and fruits and the leftovers in the polythene packets. So you see a cow passing by, the cow tries to eat what is inside the polythene packet, and sometimes that polythene also is eaten by those animals. So that polythene does not get mixed up with this body inside. It is going to create a very harmful effect on the body of that animal. So that is why non-biodegradable products are not at all safe for the environment, because they do not get mixed up with the soil easily. So I will read page 120, non-biodegradable waste. Waste materials that cannot be decomposed by microorganisms are non-biodegradable waste. They remain on earth for many years and harm the environment. Some examples of non-biodegradable wastes are things made from plastics, glasses, metals, electronic and medical wastes, certain detergents, fertilizers and pesticides. Please underline all these examples for non-biodegradable waste as well as for your biodegradable waste. So just for example, this is a non-biodegradable waste. This is a plastic bottle. Okay. Now don't look at the cold drink, that which cold drink ma'am drinks in the house. This is a plastic bottle. Okay, I'm showing you the plastic bottle. So this is a non-biodegradable waste. Then these kinds of things, I'm talking about the headphones like this, I'm talking about the mobiles, all these are the electronic waste. Electronic gadgets which get spoiled, you don't use it anymore, you just throw it out. Sometimes the bulbs, the tube lights, the chargers, all these, they become spoiled, and then you just throw it in the dustbins, and that is all thrown outside. These things, they do not get decomposed with the soil easily. Then you can see the metals, like you have a steel, this is a metal, then you have the glass, this glass, then another metal, you can see copper. All these metals, they also are non-biodegradable waste because they do not get mixed up with the soil easily. Then about the medicinal waste, if you see outside the hospitals, you see the doctors using the surgical gloves, the syringe which is used in the hospitals, that is all thrown in the open air. The masks which the people are using these days, that also you see lying on the roads and in the garbage outside in the open. Then you see the bottles where you have the medicines, the syrups which you get in the bottles. It can be a glass bottle, it can be a plastic bottle. These days you get syrups in the plastic bottles also. Okay, so all that are the medicinal waste which comes out from the hospitals and all these nursing homes, and they're just thrown out in the open. They also become an example of non-biodegradable waste. Then the detergent powders, mummy must be using various kinds of detergent powder, Rin and Tide and all these. So some particular type of detergent powders also are non-biodegradable waste. Then the fertilizers which are used by the farmers in the fields. Sometimes you use the fertilizers in your flower pots, in your house also, in your garden. So certain kinds of fertilizers, certain kinds of pesticides. Pesticides are those kind of medicines which you put so that the plant does not get any kind of weeds, and any kind of insects over there. So that is the pesticides. You kill the rats and, they are the pesticides. So some particular type of fertilizers and pesticides also are the examples of non-biodegradable waste.